Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. I like your car, man. What vehicle is it?
It's 1980 Monte Carlo.
Okay. Very nice. Who built the box?
I did, man.
You did. Is it sealed?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Wow. Are these 12s or 10s? 4 10s and a Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
On two,
Two Alpine.
are they the 500?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know if they're at 1 or 2 ohm?
One's 2 ohm, the other one's 4 ohm.
Okay. Looks really good. I'm gonna take a picture real quick. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Do a little gorilla trunk flex or whatever you want to do, man. Do your thing. So do you have any kind of upgraded electrical, like a battery or alternator or anything?
I have an extra battery back there.
It's hidden back there? Okay. You did a really nice job hiding everything. I like it. Hey, what's up, kid? He's gonna give me some subflex action. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake Cavallo. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of his Monte Carlo at the Slamology show in Indianapolis area. Go ahead and give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I really like that it's an old school vehicle and it still looks really clean. Nice paint job and the aesthetic cosmetic install of the red carpet. Everything is clean and you don't have to really look at any wires. And he made it to the show. A sealed box with 4 10-inch subs. I was kind of curious of the specs on the amplifier. Looks like they're rated at 2 ohm instead of 1 ohm. So 500 watts RMS at 2 ohm and then 300 watts RMS at 4 ohm. Looks like 2 of his subs will wire it at 4 and 2 are at 2 ohm. So it's around 800 watts total for this system. And if you notice the way the box location is pushed all the way back in the trunk, so all the pressure is pretty much in the trunk, not really any room for the port to breathe since it is a sealed box. And since there is 2 different type of subs, I wanted to see the difference between the subs. Look like they're about the exact same. Maybe one has a little bit more motor force, the one on the left than the right, looking on the motor size, but they still put out a good pack of punch. Rated at around 150 watts RMS for each of these 10-inch subs. And looking on the Kicker website, I like the little cone motion flow they had to kind of explain the coil movement with the cooling system. So be sure to give them a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of car audio videos every day, so you got to stay tuned for more. 800 watts on 4 of these 10-inch subs and his Monte Carlo. We're getting to the demo now. Pretty impressive to see a system like this showing up at a big car audio show like Slamology. So enjoy the demo. Hope you're enjoying. Give him a like for the trunk flex and a nice system.